Hi, everyone. Very happy to be here. My name is Ayse Lokmanoglu, and I'm in the Emerging Studies Department. And today I'm going to be talking actually about a tool that I'm hoping that's going to connect computational social science, computational humanities together, and how we have leveraged AI to scale this mode of analysis and actually made it into a little package with a little bow on top, basically. So my interest is actually on visual data, and we've heard Dr. Su talk about TikTok, and we know, especially short form communication has been dominating actually modern communication. People send memes, people share, GIFs, reels, all of these things. And in traditional humanities methods, trying to code visuals, if anyone has done it, I did in my PhD. It takes time. It's long. It's everything. And I see people nodding, so I know they understand what I'm feeling through. But within text-based methods, we've actually come into automating this to a degree where we can combine computational resources and automation and actually get really good clustering and categorizing data. So what me and my collaborator did is that we actually used LLMs to include in this larger understanding where we use it to automatically caption text, so make images into readable text actually. So each image gets coded with a prompt, and it actually provides a short semantic description. And then the thing, if you're going to ask, well, how is it different than computer vision? How is it different than computer? What it does is it actually gives you the scene and the semantics of the image rather than just the objects. So usually we would get things like we would get things like people, water, hat, ball. And now we actually can use this to get things like rescue workers assist flood victims, basically, which then helps us semantically understand and scale for images. And this is actually an output from our research project itself. So what it does is, and we actually use this in, and we actually looked at NBC News video, and we tested on different corpus as well, is that what it does is we actually try to find frames in visual news telling. So, and how can we do that? And we found our results was we actually got 35 topics, including things like political events, natural disaster, health crisis, where previously when we used supervised methods into clustering this, we got things like, red balls together or red dots together, or like, stop sign and balls together. That's my favorite always. Where you get stop signs is always, traffic signs always clusters together with the colors and the images that they're together. But so now what I think AI helped us to do is, one, actually bring visuals into the semantic discursive structures and not be actually isolated analysis tools. And we did validate this through human coding, both through intruder image and topic matching, which I can talk during in the top hour. But so just to end, before my time ends, is that so what AI helped us to do is actually scale visual analysis, and especially human visual coding, into ways that we can then add them into different semantic clustering methods, such as LDA, such as bird toppling, bird topics, such as whatever you're interested in. So we kind of created this package which bridges computer vision and NLP, but it also allows us to use videos and not only still images. So that's what we did. And with that, I would like to say thank you very much. Looking forward to talking to you later.